Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change character name in Character.AI. First open a Character.AI in a device and make sure to log in into Character.AI and have your own character in Character.AI. If you don't have a character in Character.AI, you can check our past episodes. If you have already logged in into a Character.AI, you can see this interface and tap into a character which you want to change name. You can see this page after clicking a character. Tap on the top of a character and you can see many options over there. Tap into edit character and in this page you can see your name and you can change your name. After editing your name, tap to save, and this is how you can change your name in Character.AI. I hope this video been helpful and informative. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel for more popular content and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next episode. Thanks for watching us till the end. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button.